When that dreaded flat hits your trailer, don't panic, grab your gear, and let's fix it fast. Here's why you should know how to change a trailer tire yourself. It saves you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Plus, you'll look like a road trip rock star. First off, safety is non-negotiable. Pull over to a flat, stable spot far from traffic. Pop on those hazard lights and place wheel chocks on the opposite tire to keep things steady. Now let's talk gear. 3 gadgets every car owner should have. A sturdy lug wrench, a reliable bottle jack, and a portable tire inflator. Trust me, these 3 are lifesavers, whether it's your trailer or your daily driver. Loosen the lug nuts slightly before jacking up the trailer. Just a quarter turn does the trick. Next, position your jack under the trailer frame, close to the flat tire, and lift until the tire's off the ground. Now remove those lug nuts and slide off the flat. Pop on your spare, hand tighten the lug nuts, then lower the trailer back down. Tighten everything up nice and snug, working in a crisscross pattern. Don't forget to check the spare's pressure with your portable inflator. Underinflated tires are a no-go. And just like that, you're back on the road. No tow truck, no waiting, no problem. Remember, a little prep and the right tools mean you can handle anything the road throws at you. So next time a trailer tire bites the dust, give yourself a high five. You've got this.